The Selore&S-Global USB-C to dual HDMI adapter is a versatile and powerful solution for anyone looking to expand their visual workspace. With support for MacBook Pro and Air models from 2018 onwards, as well as a range of Lenovo, Dell, and other devices, this adapter offers a plug-and-play experience for a wide variety of users. One of the standout features is its ability to deliver a crisp and clear 4K resolution at 60 Hz, ensuring smooth and vibrant visuals for your dual HDMI displays. The adapter's Type-C to HDMI conversion is seamless, allowing for a straightforward setup process. I found the adapter particularly useful for my Lenovo Yoga 920, providing an easy way to connect to external monitors without compromising on quality. The adapter's compact design means it's easy to carry around, making it an ideal travel companion for those who need to stay productive on the move. The Selore&S-Global adapter also offers a reliable and stable connection, ensuring your workflow remains uninterrupted. Whether you're a content creator, a professional working with multiple displays, or simply someone who wants to enhance their visual experience, this adapter is a great investment. With its compatibility, performance, and convenience, the Selore&S-Global USB-C to dual HDMI adapter is a top choice for anyone seeking an efficient and effective dual display solution.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.